Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi y'all. Listen, we are having the TikTok famous, the TikTok viral, the everybody viral lasagna soup. Okay. Production is production in the background. Thank you, darling. We also gonna have a little sweet red by Cabot collection. We're gonna have a little
Caviar.
Let's say Cabot. Cabot. I know I don't drink that much, so cheers. Let me set that to the side over there. Put the little cork in. Hold on. Put that over there. Let me take that. Ooh. Yeah. Cheers. Cheers. Bon appetit. Yes, Lord. Anyways, let's get into this. If you've seen the previous video, you've seen how we made this deliciousness. I'm stirring in my cheese. Y'all see the heat, right? This finna be good, y'all. I should have put on my cheese pool.
I put a lot of cheese.
Period. Ah! Okay.
This is about to be so good.
Okay. Everybody relax. I'm trying not to mess up my shirt. We on a date today now. We gotta be cute. Set the mood, the ambiance of it all. Let's just, okay. There we go. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Activate your soup coolers. Oh my God. I gotta get a pasta noodle. Hold on. Ooh. Oh, I had one. Y'all want a bite? I can't put it back up. You gotta come get some out the pot. What you think? You good? You okay? Y'all know I got it on this shirt. God dang it. Can't take me nowhere. Cheers. The sweet with this savory, baby. Now you know you gotta dip the bread. You gotta dip it. Get it all up in there. Get it all up. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Cheesy. I'm gonna give you a bite. Hold on. Look at that. Look at that. Oh. Nope. Talk about a happy place. Oh my God. This is our first mukbang of 2024. Happy New Year, y'all. Yep. Make this soup, y'all. Especially the folks in the cold, the actual cold. Make this. Just like the time. Sorry, where are you going? If you just like soup, make this. Mm. That's all I can say. Mm. This thing got my child quiet there. She really over here eating. But she quiet. Mm. All right. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm. Listen, we're gonna talk in a minute. Hold on, I'm hungry. I've been up making this soup. Mm. And the soup probably gonna come out after the mukbang. Cause oh, this is too good to not give it to y'all today. Mm, 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 mm. Baby. It's good. Mm.
I have a whole sheet of lasagna in here.
Stop it. I may have not broken up my lasagna noodles small enough for somebody. Mm-hmm. Mm. Okay. Now we got some food in there. Mm, little man. Mm. I just went up my nose. Ew. I hope that y'all had a good coming into New Year. I hope everything is well. I hope you are already trying to achieve your New Year's goals. We don't do resolutions over here. My thing this year is hashtag more in 24. God is working on us and we are doing big things. I'm very excited about all the content that's coming out. We're gonna keep grinding, keep pushing. We're on the road to 5,000. Go on and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Go on and hit it and share it with your family and friends. Child, tell all your peoples. Come on over here to Official Jamie's channel, okay? Okay. Mm, mm, mm. Only one sad thing for the new year. I lost one of my first cousins on New Year's Day. R.I.P. We're just gonna say JP. We ain't gonna give his name, but to JP, God rest his soul. But on the yeah, that's the only sad thing. We're not gonna go down that road of sadness. I'm glad that we got to reconnect before his passing. So just keep our family in your prayers, the Brown family in your prayers. Yeah. Whew. All right, moving on. We're gonna move on because I ain't trying to cry on my first mukbang of the year. Okay. All right. Baby, you got any goals for this year?
Get money.
I can't stand her. Finish high school. It's her senior year. And you had to turn 18.
In 27 days.
I mean, I have an 18-year-old. I have a 19-year-old, but still. My daughter. My daughter. This thing got me sweating. Yeah. She's turning 18 at the end of the month. One of our subscribers is also not turning 18, but she got a birthday.
She is turning 18.
I say 25. Red, her birthday at the end of the month. So I got a lot of January birthdays, so I can go down a huge list of birthdays. My auntie actually is my daughter's birthday twin. I have my cousin coming up. My uncle. It's a lot of January birthdays. Yeah. So happy birthday to all the January babies, the Capricorns and the Aquariuses, all the Aquariuses. I love my Aquarius, child. It is really good.
That's my nose itch.
I did low-key want to mix my cranberry juice in here.
You should.
Not gonna lie. Probably gonna do that after we get off the video. Anyway.
Oh, not you still recording.
Listen, because it's making me sweat. Okay? Alcohol, leave me alone. Anyway.
Excuse me.
We have a lot of new content coming out. I'm very excited. Some new fun things that my baby has shown me on the interwebs. I'm gonna do it. We're gonna rock them out. If y'all ever have anything that's fun and different that y'all want to see, hit me up on Instagram in the DMs and let me know. Send the link to whatever TikTok or whatever, and let's do some TikTok viral stuff. Don't send me no foolishness now, because I ain't trying to get sick. But we ain't doing no hot challenges. Don't come with the hot challenges. We're not doing that, because my stomach don't operate like that. But if y'all see some food that y'all think would be interesting on the channel, go and hit me up on Instagram. All of my platforms is official Jamie across TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook. That's different. Anyway, yeah. So y'all get on that. All right. We not gonna keep you for long, because baby, let me tell you, this alcohol got me sweating. And yeah, but happy new year. I wish y'all nothing but the best for 2024. Hashtag more in 24. We going up from here, y'all. Listen, we are on the road. We are on the road. I said 5K, but I should have said 10, because why not? We can do that. Okay, let's rock it out. Y'all keep sharing. Y'all keep watching. Watch them ads. It's free. That's what I needed. Mind your business. Excuse me. Like I said, if you're new to the channel, go on and hit that subscribe button. We are a good time over here. Okay? We are a good time. I'm about to go watch some more movies. If y'all have any movies or TV show recommendations, also put those in the comments so I can watch them and review them with y'all. Okay? Okay. I keep touching. Don't worry about it. Anyways, I love y'all, and ain't nothing you can do about it. I'll see y'all on the next video. Don't worry, this gonna get a sure. This was a lot. This was for display. Okay? I love y'all. Bye.